In this video, I'm going to share 3 ways to take notes with you, which are going to be super useful for you as a student. The first one out of it is the Cornell note-taking method. Here's how it works. Start by dividing your note paper into 3 main sections: a narrow left column, a wider right column, and a bottom section. During your class or lecture or while reading the textbook, use the right section to jot down the main points, important concepts, and key ideas. Avoid writing long sentences and focus on capturing the essential information. After the class, review your notes and use the left column to write down questions, keywords that relate to the content in the right column. This acts as cues or prompts to help you quickly grasp the main ideas when you are reviewing later. Finally, at the bottom of the page, create a summary section. This is where you write brief summary of the entire page's content. It helps you reinforce your understanding and provides a quick overview of the key points. Remember, the Cornell method encourages active engagement and makes reviewing easier. Give it a try and see how it improves your note-taking skills. Now let's head to the next method, that is the outline method. Here's how the outline method works. To start, create a hierarchy of the information. Begin with the main topic or subject at the top of your page and use headings and subheadings to break down the content into smaller related points. This hierarchical structure makes it easier to see the relationships between different ideas. As you take notes, use bullet points or numbers to represent each point. Write down key phrases or brief statements that capture the essential information. Keep your notes concise and focus on the main ideas, supporting details and examples. Indentation is crucial in the outline method. Use tabs or spaces to create sub-labels within each main point, helping you maintain the hierarchical structure. One advantage of the outline method is that it allows you to quickly grasp the organization and flow of the material. Now let's head to the next method, that is the most effective one, which I think is mind mapping method. The mind mapping is a very creative and visual note-taking method. It organizes and connects ideas in a non-linear and intuitive way. Here's how it works. Start by writing the main topic or central idea in the center of your page. It could be a concept or problem or any subject you are studying. Draw a circle or box around it. Next, branch out from the central idea and create subtopics or related concepts. Draw lines outward from the center and write down these subtopics, connecting them to the central idea with lines. These subtopics can be further expanded upon by adding branches and connecting them with relevant information. Use keywords, short phrases, or even simple drawings to represent each idea. The goal is to capture the key concepts and their connections in visual and concise manner. Feel free to use colors, symbols, and arrows to enhance the visual representation and make your mind map more engaging and memorable. Mind mapping allows you to see the big picture and the relationships between different ideas. It stimulates creativity, aids in memory retention, and promotes a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Give mind mapping a try in your next brainstorming session, class, or study session, and unleash your creativity while effectively organizing your thoughts. Enjoy exploring the power of visual note-taking. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and bye-bye. Do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Bye-bye.